Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding TCS interview experience for freshers and experienced candidates. So today I will share you my personal experience and my friends' experience who have recently entered into TCS as a fresher and experienced candidates. So let us start. Now I will share you one important questions related to TCS interview. So, coming to the introduction part, here the first common thing they will ask, what do you know about the TCS company? So, you should know about the in and out of the company, what company will do. So, here TCS is a multinational IT services and consulting company. It's a part of Tata Group and known for its software and consulting services across various industries, including finance, education, and healthcare. This is what I have given the information to the recruiter. So you have to prepare in and out about the TCS company. So you might face this question in future. So you have to be prepared about the company as well. Coming to the next part, the general questions which they have asked recently is introduction and the background. So like self introduction, you should mention your educational background and work experience and personal interest and where you are from. You should mention all the things in a professional way. So this allows interviews to access the candidate's journey and motivate us for applying TCS. So coming to the strength and weakness, they will ask you what are the strengths and weakness of yours. So coming to the strengths, you can mention like I have given the examples like attention to detail and being adaptable, coming up with the innovative solutions, strong problem solving skills, working well under pressure. So you can tell the strengths. And weaknesses you shouldn't tell more than three or five, four. So your weakness should be one or two. You can mention like not being able to say no to extra work, like you are you feel shy sometimes. You cannot say to the higher management that I am not can't do the extra work. Like so, this is my weakness. So I have been told this point in my interview. So you can tell like not knowing when to ask for clarification or overlooking the small details. So these are the weakness which you can tell. So they can evaluate the candidate's self-awareness and honesty. Okay. So coming to the next part, career goals and aspirations. They will ask you about your career goals and short-term and long-term career goals. So you should express how your aspirations align with the TCS mission and growth opportunities. So coming to me and my friend, like he shared like this. So thank you for asking my about my career aspirations. So in the long term, I'm passionate about being the best career role. So you which you have interested, you can mention here. So in the short term, I'm hoping to gain experience and develop my skills in the particular field like developer, manager, the administrator, etc. So he mentioned like I'm excited to work with your team and learn from your industry experts, and hopefully they can help me to achieve these goals. So coming to the technical questions, these are the programming fundamental questions for freshers. You can see here the list of questions which they have asked for freshers. You should know any one of the programming language like Java, C++, C or Python. So based on that, they will ask questions. So I have mentioned Java and my friend have mentioned the Python. So they have asked questions like OOPS concepts, polymorphism, functionality of linked list, and primary loop statements in Python, and the polymorphism and inheritance. So what is the difference between the class and interface? And I personally got the question like, what is the software development cycle life cycle? Okay, so and they will ask about the Python script, Python programming language related to global and local variables. What are the modules and libraries, and what are the concept of negative indexing in Python lists? So these are the questions which they have asked as a recruiter. The recruiter asked us. So the most important question is software development life cycle, and I have given like, I mean, I said like it is a cost effective, time efficient process that development teams use to design and build high quality software. So the goal of the software development life cycle is to minimize project risk through forward planning so that software meets customer expectations during production and beyond. Like this I have told. So you can give your answers in your way, in a professional way, so that recruiter will be impressed. So these are the questions for experienced candidates, so they will go deeper. So my friend have mentioned Python, so he asked related to the Python questions related to NumPy and SciPy, the dict and list comprehension, database packages in Python, Python Flask handles database request, and what is Lambda function in the Python? Can you write code to reverse a string in Python? The recruiter will ask to write a code in Python, and then you have to share your screen and you have to write the code. But these are for the experienced candidates which are 3 to 5 years of experience in IT language. I mean IT, sorry, IT business. So coming to next, data structures and algorithms are very very important. As a fresher, you should know the big definition of data structures and algorithms like arrays, linked lists, tags, queues. So as a fresher, my they have asked like related to linked list data structure, types of data structure, multidimensional array. These are the questions which they have asked to me personally. The fifth and sixth questions are very very important. So you should prepare in and out of the data structures and algorithms. So coming to experienced candidates, they have asked related to recursive C function and application multi-linked structures. For experienced candidates, mostly they will tell to write the code in your suitable language. I mean, in your language like C, Python, Java, which you are familiar with. So you need to write a code and be ready. Like you need to share your screen and you need to at least you need to write the syntax what they were asked for. So these are the questions which are coming to the database management and SQL queries. Nowadays, SQL is most important tool as a database management tool. So they will ask definitely regarding the SQL and the databases related to it. So these are the mostly asked questions to the freshers. So please note it down and you can answer in your way. So as you know, like we know, like unique key constraint, what are the set operators in SQL? SQL means structured query language. So sometimes they will ask the full form of SQL also. So or else they might be asked to write the queries for the insertion or manipulation. Okay, so you should be ready. So 100% question is fifth question. What is view and join in SQL? You need to tell that full definition of view and join in SQL. So coming to the experienced candidates, definitely they will tell to write a query related to structured query language, and you should share your screen and you have to write the query. First of all, minimum the syntax should be correct. I mean the body should be correct. Select where and body end. So they will ask regarding the how can you secure SQL queries against SQL injection attacks, and they will ask how to optimize the slow running query. You should tell like in a way like it will be helpful to the company as well as to the project. Okay, so in this way you need to prepare. So conclusions: preparing for TCS interview involves understanding both general and technical questions. So you should practice both technical as well as you need to prepare for database related to database questions, data structures, and algorithm questions. So these are the technical round. If you clear the technical round, you will go to the HR round. HR round mostly there will be a discussion regarding your salary. So there will be no technical questions. So you need not to worry. And so this is about the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Subscribe my channel. Bye bye.